Hi, this video is going to be really interesting and I'm damn sure you will get the new things and new ideas. Even I'm very excited for this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the best side hustle that you never heard before. These are not like online surveys, so question is, what are these side hustles? As many of you know, side hustle is type of employment that undertaken in addition to the full-time job. It's generally like freelance a piece of work that generates you a supplementary income. It's a type of business that you are passionate about rather than a typical job. There are so many ways to do that kind of work. You can choose any of your hobby and watch some detailed videos, gain your knowledge about your hobby, and you can earn by adopting your hobby as a profession. Even there are a lot of examples I know about YouTubers and vloggers that make millions of dollars from pursuing their hobby as a side hustle. So I'm going to discuss some unique ideas that you can pursue as a side hustle. So we don't waste time, let's get into the video. If you like marketing and you have some knowledge of this field, you can sell products. But wait, this kind of selling is not just like which you have seen in your life on stores and malls, or I'm not going to suggest you to start a grocery or clothing store. But I'm going to suggest you Shopify or e-commerce store, because working with the Shopify is not like working with the other business or companies. You choose your own schedule. You just set up your online store. It is not easy, however, it's enjoyable. Because you are able to manage your business on your own terms. Even you can combine Shopify with the Amazon to get great effect. Websites like eBay, Amazon, Alibaba and AliExpress spend millions of dollars in advertising and developing their marketplace to make sure they actually convert people into customers. If you want to start your online store, the best thing you can do to model your products and get the better version of your products, choose unique things and make trend of these things by social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. It does not mean you have to make videos by your own self, but you can consult to any influential person who fall in your category, product category, who will make trend for new products. You just have to pay them and they will market your product and you will get lot of sales. In my opinion, the e-commerce or Shopify store is the best side hustle you can start. So let's move to the next side hustle. So guys, if you like gardening and you are a person close to nature and if you are passionate about them, you can also choose this as a microgreen business. Every single microgreen business starts with a 0 customer and 1 microgreen rack. Buy some basic equipment and try growing up a few traits. Improve your knowledge along with your experience. If you know how to use these products as your food, then it will be increase your customer. When you will tell them the benefit of the products, definitely they will buy. In the beginning, don't grow the varieties and don't be over humbled. So these are the tips I'm giving you to take a start. Now I will tell you how much it is profitable. Microgreen are one of the most profitable crops you can grow. They can be grown in a small space and can be sold for $20 to $40 per pound. So that's why it will make them an ideal crop for small farms and urban growers. According to the average selling price of microgreen, as for each 10-20 tray, the average yield is between 8 to 12 ounce per harvest in 7 to 14 days. That means you will be able to earn $12 to $18 per tray of microgreen. So in the description, you will get the link where you can get the information for free to set up a business. Sign in here and get free consultation through this site. If you like traveling and you want to explore nature, you should definitely start glimping as a side hustle. First, you have to look for the sites and areas. You may take the space on rental base. The season in which people mostly like to do glimping is summer season. It is ideal season for the people who are braving hot weather. But it is not necessary that people will always like to travel just in summer. You can say glamping is continues to blow up in Google Trend. Your market dedicates that what kind of accommodation, facilities and location you offer. So the first idea to make money from glamping is to start a mobile glamping business. Allow people to rent out your experience and deliver it to them with a mobile glamping business. You are probably going to have a structure that is tent. It should not simply a tent, but something that is high quality, beautiful and easy to set up, easy to carry and take down. You can also have a large car or rental van. If you want some more fun, you can set the theme like cowboy, birthday bash, princess theme. You would actually get a higher rate if you will add something unique. Obviously, you would add power-ups like furnishing and decoration will make it more luxurious. You can earn about $4,000 gross income. Nightly rate are typically $125, but you can make as much as $5,400 monthly depending on your location and your amenities. You can check these sites to get information. First one is glampinghub.com and second one is airbnb.com. Now I'm going to describe a side business which is really very easy in all of them. You just have to take a plot or an area of land on rental basis. It is pretty good if you can buy it. If you will buy it, what you will do? You will use this area as a parking lot. This term is really very easy and you don't need to do anything in it. People will park the vehicles and they will pay you on hourly basis and for overnight. It is not a big business, but you can earn a good amount of money through it. Lot of people living at a rushy area for their work and studies and they park their car daily at a parking lot. They spend too much money on just parking their cars, so you can also earn a good amount of money. But you should wisely choose the area where already many people are in need of parking lot. There would be a lot of vehicle if you have an area where 40 cars can park and one car pay you at $10 to $15. You will be able to earn $300 to $450. This is even minimum estimated amount. If you are interested in fishing, you can start selling fishing rigs. This is really interesting side hustle. It is an arrangement of items used for fishing. It can be assembled of one or more lines, hooks, or other fishing tackles. Fishing rigs vary widely according to many factors including the type of fish, type of water, and the rod you are going to use. Making your own fishing rigs is a challenging task, but if you discover a skill for the hobby, you can turn it into a money-making opportunity by selling them. You can also sell them on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and the sites like these. You can get items from wholesale sites, the bead, the lines, the spinner. Just get the information about the fish and its popular rig according to fish breed. You can see different type of rigs on Amazon have different price rates according to its specification. I think fishing rig is a very rare and unique business, but it have lot of potential. You can also start it as a side hustle. Hopefully you will get the new ideas from this video. Maybe it will boost your income, and so don't forget to like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.